went shopping this weekend because I'm sick and tired of carrying around this horrific looking over-the-shoulder man bag to carry my camera with me. And I got myself Peak Design bum bag to look really butch. I also got this Peak Design straps because I wanted a few different ones to carry my heavy cameras around. And we will look at the cuff strap first of all. I don't know why I didn't just use a knife in the first place. What a moron. Just use a knife, Rashid. There you go. Cut it. Right. So this is a little strap system like this. And what it's got is this magnet that you just pull up like this or push up. And that's all that needs to be on your camera. Just that tiny thing all the time, dangling off your camera. So the problem I've got with this Leica camera, yeah, I know, Leica fanboy. This strap's not the nicest thing in the world and it hangs quite low and loose. But also, once you're committed to this strap here, it's really hard to remove. And what I figured was if I put one of these on instead, I would then be able to interchange between this strap, have another one the other side here, and then have one of these straps if I ever want to have the Leica hanging around my neck. So I can just get my camera ready for a shot. So I've put that through there, you can probably see. Now what you do is you put this over your neck and both of these just clip in. That's locked in and that's locked in. So now this can take a stupid amount of weight considering how small those little threads are. And I'm shaking that. And bear in mind, I am gambling with 5 and 6, 11 grand. And it can take that, it can actually take that. That's bold that they put that claim on, and this can take that. I mean, I'm not sure how much these ropes have got left in them after I've done that, but that is incredibly assuring to have something that solid holding up your camera. So this is the Peak Design pouch. I'm gonna move this camera out the way. Again, you always need a knife, no matter what anyone tells you. And this needs sharpening now, despite what I said before about always have a sharp knife. Right, so let's get this out. Now there's your camera insert there. So you've got that stuck in with Velcro. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna stick a SL2S in here. I can easily get that in there, like so. And then I've got room for, say, memory cards, things like that. I could probably get that in here with a 2490 as well. But this isn't the reason I bought this bag. I bought this bag specifically for the Leica Q3 because I wanted something to always have this to hand with and easily be able to just grab it by the handle and pull it out. And that's all I wanted. Everything else was kind of like a bonus. Anyway, I'm not going to put links in the description. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. There are much better channels out there to subscribe to. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.